Hi everyone, it's Muriel. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to share with you a couple of hauls that I did and a few projects that I've been working on. And I'm trying to do it before it gets even more darker in this craft room. As you know, I'm dealing with light issues, but that should be all rectified tomorrow. Just got off the phone with my friend. He's going to come and install my new light fixture. So I won't have to strain my eyes to do videos. But anyway, let me show you some hauls I did. We did some stuff last week. My daughter and I out shopping, and then Friday, yesterday, and then this afternoon. So much of it was home decor, which I'm not going to show because it's tucked away. I put everything away, but I did get some of these organizers. I know I saw this over on, is it Lemon Avenue? On Instagram, and she had showed her room and the decor of her room, and she had showed these types of clear organizers. The handles were maybe gold on them, but they were at Target. I could not find them, but I went to Home Goods and found these for 20 bucks. So they're nice and long. The drawers are, so they're about 12 inches long and 5 inches deep. So it's gonna make some real good space for me on my table here. So I bought 2 of them, and then oh my goodness, I grabbed these first. I always like these clear storage bins, and this was a 3-pack for $9.99, so $10 at Home Goods. So that was a good deal. It was funny because we went to Ross this afternoon, to one particular Ross, and it looked like it did last year. It was one thing on the shelf, on every shelf. It was so picked over. It was scarce. It was like Armageddon. Let's just get out of here. So we didn't get anything there, but we did go to, I went to Michael's yesterday to look for some primer to paint my bubblegum glass jars that I picked up at Target a while ago. I want to paint them white. I also want to paint one black. I see that there's some black ones out there, but I'm not going to go running around town looking for them. I'm just going to paint the one jar that I have. Today we went to Target. Didn't find much, except I got this for my daughter. These are, everything right now in the bullseye spot is teacher related. So if you are a teacher and getting your classroom ready for school this fall, Target is the place you want to be. But they did have these jars, and I had to convince her to get it. She didn't understand why. It's a glass decanter, but she has this liquid eye makeup remover that's in a blue bottle, tall plastic bottle, and I thought, just put it in here. This is decorative, right? And it'll look really pretty on your counter when you move. We steady buy stuff for this apartment that we don't have yet, but when she does get it, she will be set. So we did pick that up from Target today. And like I said, I've been working on some boxes. I had this poster board. I had shared it with you guys a long time ago. It was all rolled up, but it was of this pattern. Beautiful birthday balloons. And this poster board was pretty thick. So I started watching some videos of some ladies that were making envelopes and things like that. So I just went back into my history and pulled up Anna Serenity Creations channel, where she made the policy envelope. So I made one for whenever I have a birthday gift to give. This definitely could be sent in the mail. It's nice and sturdy. So I made one that size, and I made 2 smaller ones. Okay, and I decorated the front of them. So this one is Make-A-Wish with that beautiful little cat and a couple of stars. And this is a Martha Stewart, just a little white rectangle shape. And then the other one looks like this. This is from the Dollar Tree. These are some hearts, wooden hearts that I just put some glitter on. And then I used some circle gold to you. So that is ready. They definitely will hold a gift card. So those 2, I like to have this stuff ready to go because birthdays are rolling around every day. Seem like retirements are rolling around, and Muriel has nothing. So when I went to Ben Franklin, which is a store that's local here in Pacific Northwest, I always go to the clearance aisle, and I found this chipboard pack. I already took the price off of it, but it was down to like $2.79. It's the Holly Jolly from My Mind's Eye. And I remember that I had something Holly Jolly. I thought it was a paper pad, and it kind of sort of was, but it was by another designer. It was a sticker sheet, Holly Jolly Christmas from Echo Park, that I had picked up at Tuesday morning. So it was a Holly Jolly kit. This is the only thing that's left, the sticker pack here, and these 2 sheets of paper that I'll probably use to make some more cards with. And then I began cutting up the strips of paper that was left. So I had a bunch of strips here. And then I had some of the cut aparts. They look like this. Thought they'd be cute for note cards. There's one image. And then there were some of these cute phrases. And I could certainly cut those up. So I thought, well, let's go ahead and make a card. So I did make 2 Christmas cards to add to my collection. The first one is this one here. Definitely Pinterest inspired for sure. They use a Santa Claus, and they actually did use this same cut apart. That's what that is. I just mounted it on some green paper, some of that same green paper from the collection. This chipboard piece is from the Holly Jolly chipboard pack. Here is a sticker, and then these hearts are from this chipboard elements pack as well as the, well, these stickers are from the sticker pack from the Holly Jolly. So I didn't think it came out too bad. I thought it was really cute and colorful, and just have the Merry Christmas stamp on the back. So that's one. And then the other one I use with these strips here, which I probably will use more, and it just looks like this. And I'll tell you, I just saw a video from Dina, Crafty Crafts by Dina. It must be an older video, not unless it's something new. I'm not sure, but right there on the screen was a Christmas card, something circular in the middle, and it looks like the pattern strips. And I said, So I quickly, this afternoon, used some of these strips, and I just did a white cutout circle, and then just mounted this on top. This chipboard piece is from the Holly Jolly. Also this Fa La La, as well as the 3 gold stars. So I am 2 more cards in, along with the other 7 that I have. So feeling pretty good about that. Now I'm going to move this over and share with you one more project I made with the poster board paper, and that is this box here. I found the tutorial. I'm still trying to master it, but 2 sheets of paper. The top of the box is made with a 10.5 by 10.5 sheet, and the bottom of the box is made with a 12 by 12 sheet. And I know I have some sturdy 12 by 12 paper, at least 110 pound, and textured in my storage unit. So I had to go to Michael's yesterday and get 12 by 12, but it was 65 pounds, so it's not really that, you know, that sturdy, but definitely it's a cute box. And the Stampin' Up! Demonstrator actually shows you a formula to make any box you want, which I said I like that. So I'll link that down below. I mean, it was just brilliant. So at Michael's, there was buy 1, get 2 free of the paper pads, which they really had nothing that I was gaga over. But this one here does look a little like Jen Hatfield. So I got that, especially with these houses. So totally fall. I love the black and white. I love that. They had some tags to cut apart. So this one is called The Avenue. And then I picked up this one, Summer Road Trip, which is another cute one. Camping elements, maps, critters. Look at that. cute. Cute hit the gravel. Love those cut aparts. So maybe too late to crack this one open, although I'm still doing some summer stuff. I'm not ready for Halloween yet. I just want to live in the moment right now. And then the last one is Harvest Meadow. Totally fall again. I do have some cigar boxes that I want to cover. So I think these paper pads may be used for that. Because you do need to work with 12 by 12 sheets. And I think they will make nice gifts to give someone a nice decorative box that they can use as a home decor piece. So that was the 3. You know, they're $19 each. So to get 2, that puts them at, I don't know, $6 each. Then when I was at Michael's in the clearance section, I picked up this bead here for $2. Really cute. And then this set here. I know Anna with Serenity Creations always say, find the strands that have 2 or more strands, because then you get different sizes and then you get this extra little extra element. So that was that strand there. I found some spangles, they call them, but they're just a variety of sequins. And I like them because they're different, right? They have the traditional ones here. But then they have some hearts and some squares and some red hearts and some stars. And then some of these little smaller ones. Okay, and these were $3. Had to get these bags to alter for Halloween. 6 bags for $3. And I think here's the white paper that I bought from Michael's. Just 65 pound, 12 by 12. It's okay, but I need it sturdier. Then I got this necklace. I didn't realize it was a necklace. First I got it because I like the charms. But it is a necklace. And it was $2. So really cute. Something just to put on real quick. The chain is right there around your neck. So there. I splurged because the Halloween stuff is not marked down at all. But I did have a reward that I used. And then it was 20% off of items. So I got a pack of Halloween ephemera. Love that house. Love that house. I won't go into it. It's 24 pieces. It was $4.99. Oh, there we go. So there's the traditional house, spiders, pumpkins, ghosts, bats, and 2 phrases, trick or treat and happy haunting. And then I got this here. This was the one that was like rock my world because it was $10, but there's a hat, there's a house, there's a fence, there's a moon. So this is like a whole scene, right? So got that die. And I think that was all for, oh, no, let me not tell a lie. I found these. These were $1 each, I believe, over in the clearance section. Glittered adhesive is probably less than 1 millimeter thick. But they would make cute pieces if I needed to cut out like a glitter moon, or if I needed to cut out a glitter tree. So I only picked up 4 of them. They had just the same colors, plenty of the same colors. So I think that was all that I got from Michael's. And then when I went to Ben Franklin, I don't even remember what I was looking for. Oh, I found the primer because Michael's didn't have any. So I found the primer at Ben Franklin's. I started looking around there. And, of course, on the clearance, I found these Jen Hatfield, The Avenue. Interesting, because isn't that paper pad called The Avenue? It is. Interesting. And I said that looks like a Jen Hatfield. Anyway, so these little tags. Thank you, hello, friend, homemade. Congratulations, thanks, and thinking of you. Okay, so got that because that was on clearance. I did some loose paper looking, and I found a bunch of the snowflake paper collection. I have the collection. I've used lots of these last year, so I wanted to get a few more sheets. And on the opposite side, it looks like that, which I love that look. And more snowflake. So So I got 3 of those. And then I got a few Halloween random. This is by Photo Play. The back of that looks like that. So there's 2 of these. And then this is just October 31st Doodlebug. The back of it looks like that. And here's another Doodlebug, Booze and Brews. And that side looks like that, a bunch of cut-aparts. And then this one here is a Doodlebug, Candy and Carnival. And that side looks like that. And then this one is a Photo Play Oh Christmas Tree. Okay, definitely got those to make cards with. And then the last bit that I picked up was a actual collection, but a small one. This is by, I don't even know. Fancy Pants. There we go. So this is just the card stock. So the image colors that you see are what's in the pack. The paper pad looks like this. 6x6 paper pad. It's called A Little Scary. 60-pound cardstock. You can see all the images. And they are 4 sheets of each. They're not double-sided. Oh, they are double-sided, excuse me. So I just wanted something different this year. The orange is a little more muted. The blues and the blacks. And to go with that, I picked up a pack of the the ephemera pack. And you can see all those goodies. Lots and lots of phrases. Some banners. Pumpkins, of course. Houses, cats, bats, witches, poison bottles, candy, okay, there. And then to go with that, I had to get the puffy stickers. Okay, I love that card there. So this is going to be fun. I'm not sure what I'm going to use these on, but I definitely will for the upcoming Halloween projects. And then lastly, these were $3.99 each. Some Nouveau drops. I got 3 different colors for the fall. I don't know if they have names to them. Let's see. Metallic. Metallic what? Just Crystal Drops Metallic. Crystal Drops Dirty Bronze. And then this one is Gloss Olive Branch. So I thought those were really cute. So that's my haul, you guys. Those are my projects. I hope you like them. I hope you're inspired. Where'd those cards go that fast? I don't even know where I put them at. Oh, where are they? Up here. So I'll go ahead and post these on my Instagram. Those 2 Christmas cards. So you'll be seeing, I'll be doing Christmas, Halloween, and birthday. Every video, it'll be a little bit of something different. So I thank you guys for watching. Have a great evening. And until my next video, take care. Bye now.